Alright, we kind of already did this video, but I did a terrible job at it, so we're gonna try it again. Alright, so right here we got vinegar plus rust. Yeah, basically just take vinegar, put really fine steel wool in it, and just let it sit. This is like 3 years old, 4 years old, and then this is just really concentrated coffee, and then this is really concentrated red tea. So we're just gonna try them out. We're gonna try the red tea first because that's the one I'm most interested in. It's the thing with this stuff, like you'd think it would work, right, with the color of it, but you go to apply it and it really doesn't do much. Going for that color in particular, then there you go. This is the coffee next. Try to shake it up a little bit because it's like sludge at the bottom. It's kind of gross. That actually works way better than I thought it would. Huh. We'll have to see what it looks like when it dries. Like, look at how that looks like you got actual stain on you. Just gonna keep applying it, try to give it the best chance that it can possibly have. That I almost cross-contaminated. So that one's like going orange. Yeah, look at how dark that one's getting. That's pretty cool. Look at how nice this one's coming up though. Like, that's a nice color. Oh. That's actually a really nice color. Compared to both of these ones. Like, this just looks like rotting wood. The coffee. I'm trying not to spill it off, so you probably can't see it the best, but kind of just looks like rotting wood. That looks like it's actually been stained with something nice. And then this one kind of just looks like it's had shellac on it. So really, you're actually not doing too bad. Because you could use the middle one for a rustic look. You could use the outside one for just a nice sheen to it. Nice natural look. Or you could use this one for a really cool look to it. So we'll keep layering on there and see what we can do. Because this is pretty cool. I'm really liking this. Yeah, that's getting better too. Yeah, try to get lots of it on there. And then just let it sit. Yeah, there we go. We'll start off with the coffee, right? That's what that's what this is. We'll go with that in the corner. Look at how dark that's actually getting. So yeah, this oak is definitely, I'm pretty sure this is oak. That's pine. I don't know if I've said that already. That's amazing. That looks really cool. Look at that. Look at the difference. You can see it, right? Yeah. Well, I'm making a mess, but that's fine. I'm having fun. That's crazy. That, so this was coffee, right? Yeah, coffee over here. And then that was the vinegar and rust. So that's definitely, that stuff works good. And then this was the tea. And even that looks good. And even this looks pretty good, so. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Huh. Neat. Very neat. And this stuff is like kind of spalted. You can see, well, I won't pick it up now, but it's kind of spalted and it's kind of bringing it out in that. This is fun. I'm having fun. My phone's gonna die, so I should probably plug you in. Just give me a second here. We'll do a couple coats off camera, and then I'll plug you in, and we'll come back after. I'll put maybe 10, maybe 20, I don't know. We'll see how far we get with it, but I should probably put gloves on. But yeah, we'll get you charged up. Alright, I gotta try to do a voiceover because I forgot to plug my mic in. Not, I've never tried this, so it might be bad. But yeah, this is just me showing off the pieces once they're done and dried. You can see the red tea really didn't do a whole lot, but the others did quite a bit, especially with the oak there. But yeah, it looks pretty good for just random stuff laying around the house, so I think it's got a purpose in woodworking, that's for sure. I'm pretty sure the steel wool and vinegar has been used for quite a while. But yeah, I think they look pretty neat. But that is about it. I appreciate you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was either entertaining or something. I don't know. I hope we got something out of it. And yeah, I'll catch you next time. There's me trying to show all of it. Alrighty, thanks for watching. That's it. Bye-bye.